I'm Navyata from FOMO Fashion on My Own. Well, hair is every girl's prized possession. Let's see if we can trust Sunsilk's newest launch, Natural Recharge, strong and abundant shampoo and conditioner with them. I've used the product for 2 weeks, so watch on to know my thoughts on the product. Starting with the shampoo, it's pale green, almost whitish, with, wait for it, shimmery particles. You already love it, don't you? The fragrance is really fruity and refreshing by itself, and it stays. A good fragrance that lingers is something that I love in my shampoo. The texture is not very runny, and the best part about it is that it is paraben free. Let me tell you what it means and why it might matter. Parabens are the most widely used preservatives in cosmetics and personal care products, used to extend the shelf life of the product and prevent growth of bacteria, etc. All this might sound good, right? But some reports claim that parabens may be linked to breast cancer and fertility issues. While true or not, it's not something we need to worry about because the shampoo is paraben free. Now coming to my experience with the shampoo, I tried it on dry as well as oiled hair, and it cleaned my hair without drying them out. The shampoo cleaned my oily hair in about 2 washes, and I must say I really found my hair to be hydrated and soft. It didn't make my hair 5 times stronger as it claims, but it definitely reduced breakage thanks to the star ingredient ginseng root. On the packaging front, the shampoo comes in a light green colored opaque bottle, while the conditioner is in a tube, both with a flip cap, making it travel friendly. The only thing is that you can't see how much is inside because the bottle is opaque. Price wise, it's quite affordable. This 340 ml bottle is for 219 rupees, while the 80 ml conditioner tube is for rupees 64. Overall, the shampoo and conditioner complement each other well, making the hair clean, soft, shiny and bouncy with every wash. And if you have dry and damaged hair, then I really recommend this product to you because it works in all the departments. The only downside being that it didn't make my hair 5 times thicker as it claims, but I've used it only 2 weeks, so maybe it's too soon to comment. So guys, let me know what you thought about my review, and if you would like me to review any other products, do let me know in the comment section down below, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!